Here's my video today. First week, January 2024. I'm making note of how slow this guy's going down the driveway and why he's doing it. This is so that the driveway doesn't get covered in mud. Making note of this because there's a strong chance that there may be complaints about mud on the driveway. And I'm just showing that we're doing the best we can to make sure that the mud in his tires does not come out on the driveway until he gets out onto the road. It's about 33 degrees out, just enough that it's getting greasy. This is a good driver. Look at how slow he's going. Well done, Jesse. Very good.